I'm Steve Ingram, an engineer at ICWUSA. I'd like to introduce you to our compact Elite arm with wall mount and our ultra sliding keyboard. The keyboard stows under the top work tray when not in use. The keyboard can be used with the top work tray flipped up or flipped down. The top work tray can be used for coding, scanning, or meds and stays level in all positions while allowing the keyboard angle to be adjusted to positive, neutral, or negative tilt for ergonomic benefit. The sliding mouse tray can be used on either side to accommodate left or right hand users and is equipped with built-in rounded wrist rests. The top work tray is automatically flipped up when the keyboard is put away. The keyboard can be swiveled along with the monitor or separately, and with the arm or by itself. When fully stowed, the unit's profile is less than 9 inches from the wall for easy clearance. The Paralink Monitor Mount allows several modes of ergonomic adjustment, including 7 inches of monitor height adjustment, 5 inches of forward and back adjustment while keeping the monitor tilt consistent, rotation from landscape to portrait and any position in between, independent 50-degree tilt of the VISA ball mount, and our modular construction allows optional addition of a dual monitor mounting rail and mounting of scanners and other devices behind the monitor or keyboard. Compact Elite arm features include through the arm cable routing keeps wires hidden and protected. Powered by the most durable gas springs available, made in our U.S. factory and tested to over 200,000 strokes, allowing a 5-year warranty. Built-in and adjustable friction system keeps the arm from drifting once it's moved into place for use. Adjustable lift to accommodate loads up to 32 pounds, counterbalance for easy one-finger movement and position adjustment. 30 inches of vertical adjustment and up to 62 inches horizontal reach. 180 degrees of horizontal movement. Our durable baked-on powder coat finish is designed to be easy to clean and disinfect and usable as a dry erase marker surface.